Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. On June 29, Virgin Galactic successfully conducted its first ever commercial flight, sending 4 passengers into suborbital space. The launch was the first commercial launch for Virgin Galactic. The VMS Eve aircraft, with a spaceplane attached under its wings, was launched from Spaceport America in New Mexico. At an altitude of about 13 kilometers, the spaceplane was released, the engine was turned on and the ascent began. After reaching a maximum altitude of 85.1 kilometers, the spaceplane's engine was turned off, after which the passengers of the spaceplane were in microgravity for several minutes. Richard Branson founded the company Virgin Galactic in 2004. The company was originally scheduled to send customers to and from suborbital space as early as 2007. Virgin Galactic built its own suborbital spaceplane, known as SpaceShipTwo, designed for air launch, but the first test launch of this spaceplane did not take place until December 2018. And in July 2021, the suborbital spaceplane made a test flight with passengers, including company founder Richard Branson. Galactic 01 was ordered by the Italian Air Force, who ordered the SpaceShipTwo mission for suborbital research back in 2019. On the first commercial flight, 3 Italian tourists were aboard the spaceplane: Walter Villadei, an Italian Air Force colonel and doctor, Angelo Landolfi, a lieutenant colonel in Air Force, and engineer Pantaleone Carlucci. Walter Villadei wore a biometric data collection suit that monitored his body's response to microgravity. Angelo Landolfi conducted experiments to mix some solids and liquids in microgravity. There was also a 4th passenger aboard the SpaceShipTwo, Virgin Galactic instructor Colin Bennett, who was evaluating the Italian passengers' flight experience. The Galactic 01 tourist mission marked the beginning of Virgin Galactic's commercial flights. If all goes according to plan, the company plans to provide its suborbital space flight services. A second commercial flight, Galactic 02, is scheduled for early August, after which the company plans to fly SpaceShipTwo monthly. And in the future, Virgin Galactic plans to use new spaceplanes named Delta, which the company says will be capable of flying into suborbital space once a week. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.